Hello, welcome to Selar. My name is Oluwatosin, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything on Selar, from creating your account to publishing your first product and getting paid. This is the full tour, and by the end, you know about every feature, what they do, and how to use them. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is create your account. Head to selar.com and click on Start Selling.
Fill in your name, email address, and a password. Then click Create Account. Once you're in, Selar will prompt you to fill in some basic information about yourself and verify your email address.
Once your account is set up, the first thing Selar will ask you to do is add your bank account details. This is how you receive your payouts, so go ahead and fill that in. You can always update it later, but getting it in early means you are ready to receive money the moment your first sale comes in.
Select your country, your bank name, enter your account number, and verify your account name.
Before you start creating products, let's look at two things: your store settings and what your store actually looks like to a customer. From here, you control your store name, branding, currencies, payouts details, and more. Everything about how your store looks and operates lives in this panel. Now let me show you what your buyer sees.
This is your storefront. When someone visits your Selar link, this is what they land on. Your store name, your profile image, your listed products, all visible here. Right now, it might look empty because you haven't added products yet, but at the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fill it up.
Selar supports up to 12 product types, but a couple are only available on specific paid plans. So Selar has a free plan, which is the default for new users like you. However, some features are limited, and we recommend upgrading to access more features. You can check out our pricing page for more details on what you get on each plan to make a decision. Now, before you publish your first product, here's a quick run through of each product type available on Selar and what they are for.
The first is digital products, which includes ebooks, templates, and more. Then you have tickets and masterclasses for selling access to events, webinars, workshops, and training sessions. You have services for selling your expertise, such as coaching, consulting, or design work. Then subscriptions for charging customers recurring payments for products and services. Courses for creating and selling online learning experiences hosted on Selar. Bookings for scheduling and selling consultations, coaching sessions, and appointments. Bundles for grouping products into different tiers and pricing options. Communities for building paid or free communities where members can connect, learn, and engage with each other. Membership courses for offering subscribers ongoing access to exclusive learning content. Stream online only video or audio for selling secure video or audio content that can only be watched or listened to online. Flexible subscriptions to offer your customers installment payment plans for higher priced products. You have physical products for selling items that need to be shipped to customers.
Now, let's publish an ebook on how to build a successful online business from home.
From your dashboard, go to Products to select a product type. Since we're publishing an ebook, we'll be clicking on Digital Product. Upload the product image, enter the title and description. Then enter the amount, choose the category and subcategory. Upload the ebook file. You can choose to publish this as read-only if you do not want this ebook to be downloadable. It also protects your work from piracy. Now go ahead to add the product once you've set up all the necessary steps.
Congratulations! You've just published your first digital product on Selar. You can repeat the same steps to add other product types. Now that you know how to add products, let's look at how to manage what happens after someone buys. Click on the hamburger icon to open your sidebar menu.
First up is sales. This is your main sales view. Every completed transaction shows up here. The customer name, their email, what they bought, the price, the date, and whether the sale came through an affiliate. You can filter by date range or currency and export your sales data at any time. Next up is approval requests. Some products, particularly events and membership communities, allow you to require approval before confirming a purchase. When a buyer submits an order for those products, it lands here first. You review the request and either approve or decline. If you approve, the buyer's access or ticket is confirmed. If you decline, the payment is not processed. This is useful when you want to curate who gets into a program, a high-ticket community, or an exclusive event. Next is orders. If you sell physical products, your orders come in here. Each order shows the buyer's name, their delivery address, what they ordered, and the current status. When you've packed and shipped an order, update the status here. You can mark it as processing, shipped, or delivered. Seller notifies the buyer automatically when the status changes, so they know their order is on its way without having to message you. Next is abandoned transactions. This is where you'll see buyers who started the checkout process but didn't complete it. They added something to their cart, got to the payment page, and then left. These are not lost sales. They are warm leads. Someone who abandoned a checkout is more likely to buy than someone who never clicked at all. Seller lets you set up abandoned cart emails that go out automatically to anyone who didn't complete their purchase. The email reminds them of what they left behind and brings them back to finish the checkout. To configure this, go to custom mail in your settings. You can write your own abandoned cart email or use Seller's default. This one feature recovers real revenue with zero ongoing effort.
The next section on the sidebar menus is products. This is where you manage every product you've added.
All products is your full product library. Every product you've created, both active and deactivated. You can edit, deactivate, duplicate, or delete any product from here. Use the search and filter to quickly find specific products as your catalog grows. Featured products are the ones that appear prominently on your store homepage. When a buyer visits your storefront, these are the products they see first. You can choose which products you want to highlight, your best sellers, your flagship offer, whatever you want a new visitor to see immediately. This is your storefront window. Make it count. Subscribers is for if you have subscription products, whether a recurring content pack or a membership course. This is where you manage your subscribers. You can see every subscriber, their subscription status, active, expired, cancelled, or auto-renewal enabled, and their billing history. If you ever need to manually grant or revoke access, you do it from here. Now, product categories. As your store grows, categories help you keep it organized and easy to navigate for your buyers. Create categories that make sense for what you sell. For example, courses, templates, events, coaching. Then, assign your products to the relevant category. Buyers can filter by category on your storefront, which helps them find what they are looking for faster. If you have products with variations, for example, a physical product that comes in multiple sizes or colors, variation assets is where you upload the images for each variant. Upload an image for each variant option. When a buyer is at checkout and selects a size or color, they see the corresponding image. It helps them make a more confident purchase decision. Product groups lets you organize related products together for easier management on your end. Think of it as a way to cluster your products internally. Useful when you have a large catalog or want to batch manage or report on related items together. Create a group, name it, and add the relevant products to it. This is a back-end organization tool. It doesn't change what buyers see on your storefront.
Show Love is Seller's tipping feature. It's not a product you sell. It's a way for your audience to show appreciation. A supporter visits your Show Love page, enters an amount, and sends it to you. That's it.
To set it up, click Show Love from your sidebar menu and create your page. Give it a title and a short message, then publish it. You'll get a personal Show Love link. Share it anywhere your audience spends time. The link in your bio, at the end of your content, in your email signature. It's especially powerful during launches, after a live session, or whenever you've delivered value and want to give your audience a simple way to thank you.
Now, the next few sections cover the tools that help you grow beyond just publishing products: your customers, your affiliates, your discount strategy, and your sales pages. Let's get into it. Your customers list is everyone who has ever bought something from your store. Their email address, what they purchased, and when. This is your owned audience.
These are people who have already paid you. They are your most valuable marketing asset because they already trust you. You can export this list to use for email campaigns, to build lookalike audiences on your ad platforms, or to segment buyers by product.
Selar has a built-in affiliate system. You can let other people promote your products and earn a commission on every sale they generate.
From here, you can add individual affiliates to your store or list your products on Selar's public affiliate marketplace, where over 40,000 affiliates are already looking for products to promote. When you list a product on the marketplace, you set the commission percentage. Every sale an affiliate generates is tracked automatically. Their commission is calculated and processed separately. You don't have to manage it manually. On the free plan, you're limited to 40 affiliates. On Pro and Turbo, it's unlimited.
If you've set up bookings products, your live booking calendar and all upcoming appointments live here.
You can see what's scheduled, manage your availability, and track your sessions in one place.
Coupons let you offer discounts for launches, for loyal customers, for promotional campaigns, or for affiliates who want to give their audience a special deal.
Create a coupon code. Set the discount, either a fixed amount or a percentage, and choose which product it applies to. You can set a usage limit so it expires after a certain number of uses, and an expiry date if it is a time-limited offer. On the free plan, coupons are limited. Pro and Turbo gives you unlimited coupons.
A sales page is a full standalone landing page for a specific product, built inside Selar with a drag and drop builder. No coding required. If you've ever tried to sell something just from a product listing page and found it wasn't converting, a sales page is the solution. It gives you space to tell the full story: the problem, the solution, who it's for, what's included, testimonials, and a clear call to action.
Selar has unlimited templates across different product types: courses, ebooks, webinars, events. Choose a template, customize the copy and images, connect it to your product, and publish. You can also create affiliate-specific sales pages, so affiliates promoting your product have a dedicated page designed to convert. This feature is available on Pro and Turbo plans.
Now onto your wallet. This is where your money lives before it hits your bank account. Your Selar wallet shows your balance across all active currencies. Every completed sale adds to your wallet balance.
From here, you can request a payout to your bank account. Selar supports payout in Nigerian, Ghanaian, Kenyan, South African, and other African bank accounts, as well as dollar or pound accounts for international creators. You can check your payout schedule here and just how frequently payouts are processed, and update your bank details at any time.
Selar connects with the tools you're probably already using.
Here's what you can connect. Facebook Pixel. Install your Meta Pixel ID here, and Selar will automatically fire conversion and page view events on every sale. This is how your Meta ads learn who your buyers are. Google Tag Manager. Connect GTM and get full control over your store's tracking. You can load Google Analytics, additional pixels, and any third-party scripts through a single container. MailChimp, ConvertKit, MailerLite, SendPulse. Connect your email list, and every buyer on Selar automatically syncs to your chosen email platform. Tags and segments are supported. Zapier. Connect Selar to thousands of other apps. Anytime a sale is made, you can trigger an action in virtually any tool. Add a row to a Google Sheet, send a Slack notification, create a contact in your CRM. Katra. If you use Katra, connect it here, and seller will automatically grant access to Katra products and lists when a sale happens. Telegram. Connect your Telegram group or channel and automatically add buyers after purchase. This is useful for community products and cost cohorts. Go through the integrations panel and connect whatever you're already using. The less manual work you do after a sale, the more time you have to grow.
We are now at the end of the tour. Let's close out with settings. This is where you configure how your store looks, how it operates, and how you get paid. Let's go through each one.
General store settings. This is your store's core identity. Your store name, email address, description, phone number, social media links, and how the checkout experience works for your buyers. Keep your store name and description up to date. They appear on your storefront and in your buyer's receipts. Custom charge settings. This is a new setting. It lets you decide whether to pass the transaction processing fee onto your buyer or absorb it yourself. If you turn this on, seller adds the processing fee to the buyer's total at checkout instead of deducting it from your payout. Your full listed price lands in your wallet. Profile settings. Your profile, your name, photo, and bio is what appears publicly on your seller's storefront. Update this so your buyers know who they are buying from. A complete profile builds trust. Email preferences. Seller sends automatic emails to you and your buyer after every transaction. Order confirmations, download links, course access, and event details. From email preferences, you can customize what gets sent, when it gets sent, and what it says. Store currencies. This is an improved setting. Activate the currencies you want to accept. Naira, cedis, dollars, pounds, and more. Once a currency is active, buyers from that country will see prices in their local currency automatically. Seller detects their location and shows them the right currency by default. You can either let seller auto-convert your prices, or you can set fixed prices per currency manually. If your Naira price is 5,000 Naira, seller can also convert that to dollar, or you can set a specific dollar price yourself. Store delivery settings. If you sell physical products, this is where you configure delivery fees by location. Set up delivery zones and fees. For example, Lagos at 2,000 Naira, other states at 5,000 Naira, international shipping at a separate rate. When a buyer enters their address at checkout, seller calculates and adds the correct delivery fee automatically. Store design. This is where you customize how your storefront looks. Upload your store logo and set your brand color. That color will apply across your storefront, your buttons, and your product pages. A branded storefront looks more professional and builds buyer confidence. Store support channels. Your buyers will have questions. Store support channels is where you tell them how to reach you. Your WhatsApp number, your email address, or a support link. Set this up so that when a buyer needs help, there's a clear path to reach you. It reduces disputes and builds trust. Legal pages. If you want to publish terms of service, a privacy policy, a refund policy, or a shipping policy on your store, you create them here. Write your policies in the text editor and publish them. They'll appear as linked on your storefront. For anyone selling at scale or running paid ads, having these pages live is important. Payout settings. Payout settings is where you connect your bank account so you can withdraw your earnings. Add your bank name, account number, and account name. Seller supports bank accounts across Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, and other African markets, as well as dollar and pound accounts for international payouts. Make sure your account details are correct before requesting your first payout. Custom domain settings. By default, your store lives at yourstorename.seller.com. If you want it at yourstorename.com instead, custom domain settings is where you connect it. You can either use a full custom domain like your store.com or a custom subdomain like store.yourname.com. Enter your domain, follow the DNS setup instructions, and once it propagates, your store will be accessible at your own URL. One important note: if you change your subdomain at any time, your old store and product links will stop working. Update them immediately if you make that change. This feature is on the Pro plan and above. Change password. A straightforward one. If you need to update your account password, do it here. Use something strong and don't share it.
That's the full tour. You've seen how to create every product type, manage your sales and orders, how growth tools like affiliates and sales pages work, how to connect your integrations, and how to configure every setting in your store. The best next step is to go create your first product. Pick the product type that fits what you already have, an ebook, a service, a course, an event, and get it live. If you have questions as you go, the Selar Help Center at help.selar.com has answers to almost everything. You can also email us at hello@selar.com. Now go build your digital business. We're rooting for you.